अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ लेक्चर 7. दिस इज़ फॉर क्लास 8th and 9th because it's grammar lecture common for both classes. Page numbers are 1920 of Renan Martin Maha High School English Grammar and Composition, same book. Dear students, last time we have done noun and its kinds, pronoun and its kinds, adverb and its kinds. Today we are doing adjective and its kinds in detail. You have to watch it carefully and then learn it by heart and try to evaluate, point out adjective from sentences or examples. Let's start. First of all, adjectives. What is adjective? First of all, you have to go through with the examples, page number 19 of Renan Martin. Read these sentences in front of you. Karachi is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish old crow tried to sing. This is a grammar of the English language. इन एग्जाम्पल्स में आप देखेंगे कराची इज़ अ लार्ज सिटी. कराची इज़ प्रॉपर नाउन, सिटी इज़ कॉमन नाउन. इन दोनों वर्ड्स को, नाउन्स को जो चीज़ एक्सप्लेन करी है, दैट इज़ अ वर्ड लार्ज. सो लार्ज इज़ एक्सप्लेनिंग वर्ड फॉर नाउन. Explaining word for noun or describing word for noun are adjectives. Similarly, honest, foolish, and English. These words are adjectives here. Let's start with the definition. A word that describes, point out, noun is called adjective. वो word जो noun को describe या point out इशारा करे उसकी तरफ adjective कहलाता है. Karachi is a large city. I have some rice. You have 5 coins. He is studying in class 3. He got 3rd position. Each of the boy gets first position. This is your task. What kind of nature that boy has. So these are example of adjectives in accordance with the order of kinds. Students, there are 8 kinds of adjectives. Adjective की 8 kinds हैं. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, definite numeral adjective. It has 2 subkinds, cardinals and ordinals. Then indefinite numeral adjectives having many words. Distributive numeral adjective, second last demonstrative numeral adjective, and the last but not least is interrogative numeral adjective. Students, number 1, adjective of quality. It shows the characteristic of noun. As we have done the examples, Karachi is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish old crow tried to sing. This is a grammar of the English language. In these examples, particular words are adjectives: large, honest, foolish, English. And then adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity show how much of a thing is meant, कि कितनी चीज़ है. नाउन की क्वांटिटी के बारे में जब बताया जाए, then it is known as adjective of quantity. Go through with examples. I ate some rice. He showed much patience. He has little intelligence. We have had enough exercise. He has lost all his wealth. You have no sense. He didn't eat any rice. You need the words some, much, little, enough, all, no, any. These words are telling the quantity of noun. So this is about adjective of quantity. Third one is adjective of number or numeral adjective. Words are 5, few, no, many. So in it you will see that what is the purpose of adjective of number. Adjective of number or numeral adjective show how many persons or things are meant, or in what manner a person or thing stands. Go through with example. The hand has 5 fingers. Few cats like cold water. There are no pictures in this book. I have taught you many things. All men must die. In it, you will see that fingers is noun, and about the numbering, the word 5 is telling. So 5 is adjective number. Similarly, you have to find adjective of number by your own. Next one is definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective. What is definite numeral adjective? Definite numeral adjective denote an exact number, cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals are exact numbers 1, 2, 3. For example, you have 2 coins, then ordinals first, second, third. That tells the strength of noun in a sequence. First, second, third. For example, he got first position. Then we have indefinite numeral adjective, students. Indefinite, as you know by the name, these words which don't tell exactly about noun. All, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several. You have to learn these words by heart, and then you have to go through with examples. Indefinite numeral adjective which do not an exact number, as, all, no, many. For example, let's make sentence from all. All men must die. Then distributive numeral adjective which refer to each one of number. एक नंबर के बारे में, ग्रुप के बारे में बताया. For example, each boy must take his turn. Pakistan expects every man to do this duty. Every word of it is false. Each, every, either, neither. These words are distributive adjective. Then demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun point out which person or thing is meant. For example, this, that, this, those, such. The boy is stronger than Ali. This boy is stronger than Ali. This. The word this is pointing out towards noun. Then interrogative pronouns, students. What are interrogative pronouns? These words, what, which, and whose, when they are used with noun to ask questions, are called interrogative adjective. जब ये वर्ड विथ, what, which, whose यूज़ हो तो इन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? नाउन के बारे में पूछने के लिए इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. What manner of person he is? Which way shall we go? Whose book is this? So these are examples of interrogative pronoun. The word what, which, whose are interrogative pronoun. So students, this was your lecture about adjective in detail, 8 kinds along with examples. You must learn it by heart and write it on your loose sheet. This is your home assignment. Inshallah, next time we will start our textbook and we shall start our chapters along with exercises. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.